Hi ladies and gentlemen, my name is Jean-Marc, and let me introduce the topic that I choose. Today, as a part of digital marketing course, I decided to talk about the importance of data in digital marketing. I will try to argue my position by using tangible facts and by using my dog, Luigi, as example. And now you must be wondering what a dog is doing in a presentation related to digital marketing. Well, let me put some perspective on it so you will not be so confused. First of all, digital marketing has become an important pillar of business these last years. There are several advantages to having a commercial website for a company because it's allowed to have a platform usable by the customers, available 24 hours per day and 7 days a week. Moreover, the big advantage is obviously the data of the customers, the logs, and all these activities will be recorded by servers. So, the data hub will allow to store primordial raw data, but how to exploit them properly? Indeed, this is the real question: how to exploit customer data to improve the targeting of their expectation. The key word here is key performance indicators, or KPI. These are the ones that will allow us to have more easily exploitable analyzed data. This is where I come back to my dog, Luigi. Let's assume that Luigi is a consumer like you and me, but more especially a reading enthusiast. Let's consider also a company that sells books online, and we can call it Booknet. Luigi has a consumer account in Booknet, and he is proud of it. The Booknet company has decided to put several KPI and several customer data collector on their website. When registering, Luigi was informed in the legal mention that his data will be collected, so we can consider a simple action that Luigi can do on the website, such as, for example, opening a newsletter, clicking on different link on the website, or buying a book. But this is not the only thing that Luigi can do. For example, we can know how much time does it spend on a page, etc. Well, it's great. We have a lot of information on Luigi consumer journey. But how to exploit it? We need to create variables that will target the activity of Luigi. For example, I've created some variables depending on what Luigi was doing on the Booknet website. So I will not go to the detail, but please pause the video and read this variable because that will be very useful. And now here are some KPIs. I will only detail the first, but it's the same. Do not hesitate to pause the video once again. So we noticed, thanks to the variable rate heavy kind, that Luigi gave the maximum note to a book on the kind dog food. It will be very interesting to propose to Luigi another book in the same kind, so he will surely carry a greater interest compared to a random book. Thanks to these different KPIs, we have not only information on Luigi, on his taste, and his availability and his commitment to the brand, but we have also important information if the website is working properly or not, if there are things to rectify, or if there is some issues on it. So to sum up, we have seen that raw data are more or less simple to obtain on a website. However, the most important thing is to know what to do with them, which is why the KPIs are very interesting for digital marketing, because from a raw data that is not really exploitable, we can get many helpful information on the client needs, and we can get information on how well our website is working. So thank you very much for your attention. This video is now finished.